everyone, my name is Afa and I'm gonna talk about how to meditate according your Mercury sign, because Mercury is responsible for how you think, how you talk, how you dig into the meditation as well. And I'm also author of the 3 books about astrology. It's one of my hobbies. You can find my book on Amazon as well. So how to meditate if your Mercury in Aries? I will say active meditation, like active breathing, like fast breathing, box breathing will help a lot. Also, when you walk, fast walking and like kind of running, and this also working because Aries is very active. So he can just calm down and just listen the water sounds. Let's go for Taurus. If you Mercury in Taurus, it's very lazy Mercury. That guy don't want to run around. Go to massage, and during massage, concentrate your mind and start slowly go to the present and now condition. Of course, you can every day go to the massage, put the candles, put a nice smell, and start meditating in that environment. Let's go to Gemini. Mercury in Gemini, very active guy also. So storytelling, like guided meditation with storytelling. So it's keeping your, like, imagine you are in this place. Kind of guided meditation in Mercury in Gemini work a lot. Let's pass to Leo. No, Cancer. Cancer, inner child. They need to calm down inner child. Again, sounds of water, dark room, candles. All this is work for the Mercury in Cancer also. And of course, before meditation, this person need to eat something tasty. Let's move to Leo. Mercury and Leo wanna show. So guided meditation, again, but different way. You're saying that imagine yourself in an amazing car, imagine yourself in a stage. So it's kind of you creating show in that person's mind, or this person creating show and thinking how he's walking into the room, what he is or she dressed up. Then we're moving to the Virgo, Mercury in Virgo. I'm Virgo, by the way. Counting breaths. So counting how many times you're breathing during the minute. Perfectly, it could be like 4 full breathing. These counting things were for Mercury in Virgo. For Mercury in Libra, like my Libra, love to meditate in front of the mirror because I need to see myself, I need to talk to me, I need to put the writing on the mirror. That's one of the gadgets, let's say, tools get into the meditation mind. Let's move to Scorpio. Dark room, definitely dark. Shadow games, dark room, candles, and some background like gong meditation sounds. Gong meditation works for the Scorpio perfectly. Now let's move to Sagittarius. Sagittarius, again, imagination. They need to imagine the public in front of them. They're traveling, and like their meditation could start like imagine yourself you're traveling to India or Paris or France, traveling, nature. That also works for them. And let's move to Capricorn. Capricorn should be goal-based, like they have a goal as like they want to buy this house. This should be pictured already in their mind, like how house gonna look, where is the door, what kind of the floor this house has, how many rooms, like goal-based. It should be goal-oriented. Aquarius definitely need to use gadgets for meditating, VR glasses or any new gadget for meditation. And Pisces, of course, Pisces also love like spa meditation, in a spa, with the sound of the water, also calming, relaxing meditations. Also good for them to go and do fishing. This also kind of you sitting and not doing anything but next to water. So try figure out what's your Mercury sign and try this technique. Maybe it will help you with meditation.